Amazon Air Duct and Dryer Vent Cleaning Manchester. The accumulation of dust and other contaminants in your ducts and vents can manifest in a number of ways. The need to dust more frequently, unusual odors when your HVAC system is on, visible dust buildup in your vents. Your family members begin to suffer from allergies or respiratory issues, you should consider BGE Home's duct cleaning service. If someone in your home is suffering from allergies, headaches, nasal congestion, asthma, or other respiratory problems. There is a smoker in the house, you have pets, if you notice musty or stale odors when the furnace or air conditioner runs, a lack of airflow coming from your vents. Amazon Air Duct Cleaning provides focused solutions for a clean, healthy, and safe indoor environment. Our courteous, highly skilled team has over 10 years of experience. We service both commercial and residential clients. We're proud to provide the best in professional air duct cleaning, dryer vent cleaning, and chimney cleaning services. Our licensed, expert team of on-site and training managers has extensive combined experience in the field of indoor air quality and air duct cleaning. All of our technicians pass a strict certification process to ensure that each job is done with the utmost efficiency and professionalism. Customer satisfaction is given the highest priority. Call 603-722-6129. For more information, please visit our website, www.amazonairpro.com. Or contact us through phone, 603-722-6129. You can visit our office, 282 Prospect Street, Manchester, New Hampshire 03104, United States. Amazon Air Duct and Dryer Vent Cleaning Manchester.